In today's complex hybrid cloud environments, we're not dealing with a lack of data. It's quite the opposite. We're drowning in it. The real issue is making sense of all this information and using it effectively. Here's the key point I want you to remember. AI-powered service operations is shifting us away from an incident creation culture to an alert-based, actionable mindset. What does this mean in practice? Let me give you a real-world scenario to illustrate this. Imagine a company's ordering system starts to malfunction. In the old days, this would trigger a flood of support tickets, creating a nightmare for the service desk. But with AI-powered service operations, things unfold quite differently. As we saw earlier, the system automatically groups related alerts together, helping us see the big picture instead of dealing with dozens of seemingly unrelated issues, so that we can focus on the root cause. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The system uses machine learning to identify probable root causes. It can even flag unauthorized changes that may be causing the problem. For example, it can stop unauthorized changes to a SQL trace flag, a small change that could have big consequences. But it doesn't stop there. The system also provides tools and recommendations for remediation. With just a few clicks, our IT team can clear out log files, freeing up disk space and resolving the issue. No need for manual intervention or complex scripting. And here's the cherry on top. While all this is happening behind the scenes, the system is also managing communications with end users. It can automatically notify employees about ongoing issues, preventing a flood of duplicate tickets and allowing the IT team to focus on fixing the problem rather than managing an inbox. The beauty of this approach is that it brings together different IT teams, operations, service desk, development, all working on the same data in the same system. No more silos, no more miscommunication. This is what we call service operations, and it's the future of IT management.